Hi, I'm Maddie. Welcome to Snow's Accident Repair Centre, where we have the capability of repairing over 100 cars a week. Why don't you come and take a look around at some of the different departments that we have. First up, we have our paint shop, where as you can imagine, all of the cars get resprayed. Here we have 4 ovens and a mixing room. This here is our MET department. This is where all the cars get taken apart at the start of the repair and then put back together again at the end. Next up, we have our panel shop. This is where all the cars get panel beaten and welded back together. This here is our newest service that we offer here at the Accident Repair Centre, our Curbosaurus. Not only do we offer in-house wheel refurbs here at Snow's Accident Repair Centre, but we also have a mobile van out on the roads. Last but not least, we have the most crucial stage of the repair, which is the quality control area. This is where all the cars are quality control checked to ensure that they have been repaired to the highest standard. So I hope that gives you a good insight to what we can do here at Snow's Accident Repair Centre. Remember, we can cater for your repair, whether it be small or large. Please feel free to contact us directly today or go through any Snow's retailer.